Hey, Jeremy Cyrier here from MANSARD. So, 2022 market update. I'm going to take you through some new data. We're going to look at the latest sales trends as well as what's happening in the markets. But look, the big question right now is what's the impact of interest rates going to be? How high are they going to go, and how long is this going to go for? We're going to look at what's happening in the market and how the data is showing us what is occurring. So let's go over it. Let's take a look at some information and get started. By the way, if you like these videos, hit the subscribe button so we can keep you up to date on what's going on. Let's go. So let's go back in and look at our county levels, and let's start with retail. The thing here that's interesting is the numbers actually say that 2022 is going to have more volume than 21 for retail sales. And if we annualize that out, this will be a high volume, very high volume year for retail. However, the average price per square foot is coming down. So how do we explain this? What we're seeing in the data is that more assets are trading. They're coming into the market, but they're being repriced. And buyers still want these assets. They want to own retail. They see retail as a strong category to be in the greater Boston market. But we're seeing pricing that's now it's reflecting a number of opportunities in the market and the rising rates that we're seeing. Dr. Glenn Mueller puts out a market cycle monitor, which is a report that comes out quarterly. We subscribe to this, and what I like to include here is his forecast. So this is taking his data and forecasting it out into the second quarter of 2023. He's putting the retail market in the Boston area at the peak phase of the market, which is late expansion. I think the pricing we're seeing in the market is actually starting to point to more of a hyper supply trend in the market, but we're seeing velocity still very high in retail. So not all bad news for retail.